Today I show you how to find duplicates in Excel. You have multiple rows which have the same value, which is a number or text, and it's very easy to find the duplicates, and you can choose to remove them or not to remove them. That's up to you. But this video is about highlighting the rows that are duplicates. Let's check it. Okay, so I have task name, and I want to show you, I will put somewhere a duplicate here. I will copy 60 here twice. So I have 60 twice and no 59. Also 115, I have it 2 times. And also, let's say 52, we have it 2 times. So how do we find these duplicates? Well, it's very easy. There is a really quick visual way to do it. And the values here don't matter. So it could be anything. It's not about the numbers here. It's not about, let's add another one here in between. Let's just to make it something and something else. Okay. So we have something and something else. They both have the word something inside them, but they are not the same. And I will have also, let's have here another one. One, nothing, and then we can have also nothing here. So we have two values of the same values like that. I will be looking only in column B, but I can also look in column C, for example, and I could say here 3 B's and 2 A's, 2 B's, no, 2 A's here, 2 A's, 4 A's, and 2 A's. So here I should have the nothing will be duplicate with this one, and the A, this one will be unique, but then actually they're all unique. So let's make this one 2 A's and 2 B's right there. And without thinking too much, I select the columns I want to find duplicates in, and I go to conditional formatting on top here. This is the magic. This is where the magic happens. Highlight cell rules, duplicate values, and duplicate. You can choose the color of the highlight, how you want it to be. You can choose the highlight color. I think the default is red, light red fill with dark red text. I think this is pretty useful. Press OK, and then the conditional formatting will change dynamically by, for example, I will have 10. When I put 10%, it will highlight it automatically. Here I can copy task 1 and put it in task 6, and it becomes automatically there. I can even put task test and put another one task test again somewhere, and it becomes red, and the previous task test becomes red. But if I put task test A, then it's not a duplicate anymore because the value is different. So I think you see how easy it was to find the duplicates, and this is a visual way to find the duplicates. It's very convenient to see them like this. And now you can decide what to do with this. You can look at them. You can also have a formula to check for duplicates. For example, if I want to count the task name duplicates, if I want to count the task name duplicates, I can have a formula here, a count if. So I could choose the range here, the whole column B colon B. I could have here B colon B, and then the criteria should be task 1. So I click on criteria, then I click on the B2. So it will look for the value task 1 in the whole column, and it will count the instances, how many there are. And then I double click in the corner there, and it will show me the duplicates wherever it finds them. It finds nothing. Nothing is 2 times. The empty space doesn't find it, so let's delete that. And I think I could do it for empty space also, but it's a bit, don't feel like it now. So if I wanted to see only the ones that are duplicates, I'll go to data, filter, task name, and I will choose everything except 1. The ones that have 1 are the ones who don't have any duplicates, and I have task 1 2 times, task 60, 115, 90, and here I can do updates, so they are updated dynamically with the conditional formatting. But to change the filtering, to update the filtering, I have to refresh the filter. So I could do changes here, and then I could do changes here, and then once I change all of them, I will leave 152. I will leave 152 here as an example, the only duplicate, and this filter is only looking in the column B now. So if I press OK again, it will only show me 152 because that's the only place where I have duplicates. So if I wanted to see the duplicates in the column C, I could put here you guessed it, change the B to C everywhere, so it's C, the C range, and then look in the column C. So I will only deselect the 1 because I don't want to see the ones that are not duplicates, and these ones, I don't know why this one, it's because here it's looking here. I got confused. So I will change this one. I still have 1 duplicate, and I will make it there. One interesting thing, because I already have BBB, it will still show red if I update it, but because the list is filtering it, I will refresh it, and now it will show me the other BBB. So that's why you might have this, and I will leave A like that. And this is how you find duplicates. It's very, very easy. You can use conditional formatting for visual matches to see quickly the duplicates by themselves, and you can combine it with COUNTIF, or you can use COUNTIF directly, and then you can do something based on the count number, how many duplicates you have. You might decide to rename one, or you move them somewhere else. Easy, right? So it's not that hard. I just have to remember the formula, which one to use. Thanks for watching. I hope this video helps you, and if it does help you, let me know in the comment section below if it helped you and what kind of videos you would like to see in the future. Make a video request, I might just do it for you. Sit straight. Remember to sit straight. In this video, I will show you water. In this video, I will show. Thanks for watching, and this is how. Today I show you how to find duplicates in Microsoft Excel. I tried to make some funny faces to put in the thumbnail. Surprise face, no. Like this. Like that. Yeah, subscribe, like, and share, and I will see you next time. Don't forget to share this video with your friends and subscribe to watch more interesting videos like this one. Thanks for watching. Okay.